What is negative grade? Can you see this backyard? You see how everything is sloped towards the house? And you can see the water laying there. The landscapers decided to put down a silt cloth to try to keep the weeds back. And now it's just like a concrete parking lot. This silt fabric does not allow water to drain through it. So they tried to create a discharge as it comes here towards the gate. And you can see that. But in reality, all they really did was concrete the backyard. There is no place for this water to go. What is negative grade? That's when your yard drains towards your house, your foundation. And when it rains really hard, all the water, the surface water, drains right underneath of your home or into your basement or your crawl space. So what's the most cost-effective way to solve this problem? Always start by looking at what you have existing. What kind of drainage do you already have? In this yard, it all slopes back towards the house. This is the landscapers that have created this. And there's got to be a cheap way, I hate to say cheap, but a cost-effective way that we can work on this. And you can see we already started. We're going to put a sump pump in here with some collection, and we're going to try to use the existing downspout drain. Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. We are working on a yard that has negative grade. Can you see that? All that water comes down and it just floods right into this area. You can see it. It's been raining here for several days. So we're going to put a sump basin in here and a sump pump and collect the water. You can see the groundwater is severe. We're going to send that around here, pretty straightforward, and tie it into this downspout drain. So I went ahead and trenched and installed part of the discharge line, and Chuck has been working on the pit. He's already got that installed, and you can see all that groundwater. Now he's going to dig the discharge from the sump pump and connect it to my pipe where it ties into the downspout. Digging through the mud and the water is a very difficult task. One shovel out, two shovels in. In other words, you take one shovel of sand out and two shovels fall in. Very hard to install a sump pump, but you can do this if you believe you can do it. When you have high groundwater, the secret is to put a pump in the pit that you're digging and let it pump water and sand or clay, whatever, until you can get your pit down. Drill holes in the basin, sink that down, and put some weight on top of it. Then you can install the rest of it, and the pump will do the rest. Okay, we have it all installed. Pump down in the basin, and our discharge pipe, which comes out and ties into this downspout right over here. And then gravity takes over and sends it all the way out to the street. You can see the root system there. Some of them we went under, some of them we had to cut. That's just how things go sometimes. But we still need to add the catch basin. Try to remember, if you're putting a sump basin in your backyard, you need collection, something to catch the water. Don't rely just on the basin. Yeah, you could cut holes in the top, but a catch basin, you can see the little nipple right there on the side. You just hook it right onto there, and that simple. So that looks pretty good. So I apologize that I haven't made a lot of videos, and they're getting shorter here because we're running out of time. It rains here every day, and it rains so hard. You know, if that hurricane comes this way, wow, people are gonna really be underwater. But our schedule is very full. I apologize if you don't hear back from me right away. Even here today, we had to stop because the afternoon showers come so quick. And when it rains here, we get 2-3 inches. I know that the Weather Channel says, oh, you get a half an inch, but we get 2 or 3 inches of rain. Okay, we're back here on day 2. Remember, you can do this job even in the heat and underwater. Got Chuck going to put a catch basin back here. And I believe it'll go right here by my foot, right there. I just need something to collect this water that's pooling up in the backyard. So we've got it all put back in the tarp back, catch basin installed. That sump pump line runs over here, ties into the downspout. Downspout has gravity and takes it all the way out to the front. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.